The UltraCalming Serum Concentrate is a super concentrated serum that helps calm, restore and defend your sensitised and sensitive skin. To use the UltraCalming Serum Concentrate, you'll apply this after cleansing with the UltraCalming Cleanser and toning with the UltraCalming Mist. Work it over your face and neck area in gentle upward strokes and follow with your prescribed Dermalogica moisturiser. It contains an UltraCalming complex consisting of oat kernel, chamomile, ginger and red hogweed root extract, plus an enriched extract of vitamins, fatty acids, flavonoids and anti-inflammatory agents. Together, these ingredients target inflammation and irritation on your skin, plus it helps interrupt inflammatory triggers to prevent future flare-ups. This serum provides enough hydration for your skin and can be used following non-invasive cosmetic procedures to help calm and soothe the skin. If you would like any advice about your sensitive or sensitised skin, please visit our website and click on Advice.